G'day, welcome back to my Veggie Garden videos. This is just a quick update. A couple of days ago I planted this here lime tree. Came back and had a look at it for a couple of days and the leaves started turning yellow. So I did some quick research and the leaves turning yellow possibly for a few different reasons, but the main one being transplant shock. So I came up with some solutions, give it some plant food. Don't give it too much water in case that I overwatered it to begin with, so we don't want to rot the roots. And then the other thing that sort of came up was might be getting too much sun. So true enough, it's actually gone from a shady space to full sun space. So temporarily I put up a wooden shelf to try and give it some protection from the sun, but it continued to go yellow for a few more days. So I gave up on that idea. Hopefully it comes good. But at the moment, yeah, so the leaves are slowly turning yellow from top to bottom and part of the trunk of the tree is too. So not sure what I could have done to alleviate that other than possibly leaving the roots alone when I transplanted it. I don't think I touched it too much. I touched it a little bit. We'll see how this thing goes. But yeah, just a quick update. It's not looking good. Thanks. Catch you on the next video.